And this is for the dive science. I believe that if it is you were to only purchase this, there's actually quite a few of the labs that can be done with this and a few household, supplies. I would check and see how much exactly, and I will let you. I'll also include like a list of household supplies, because what I may assume to be household supplies that most people may have may or may not be. So based on I guess my assumption, I would put the details on the screen. I don't know why I'm taking my time. It's plastic. Okay, let's see what's inside. And you get kind of darkens up because of the study guide. And it tells you about the different rocks inside. I'm going to go through all. It gives you a list of the rocks and the scale of hardness. Nice. And this is a pretty nice sample of rocks. This one doesn't have a number. Oh, it's 40. Alright. So that's what it looks like. And if you wanted to see what's inside, and I'm not going to go through this study guide. All right, well, hopefully that helps. If you wanted to see inside, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye.